Hey brain, something tickles bad. Time to sneeze and blow it out. I got the signal from nerves in the nose. Big breath in, then boom, force it out. No way, too embarrassing. Pinching my nose and closing my mouth to stop it. Pressure in my head goes up a bit too.
In super rare cases, could weaken or pop a spot if it's already fragile.
Mostly fine, no damage for healthy people. But if you have a weak blood vessel or aneurysm, the pressure might make it burst. That's bleeding around the brain. Serious stuff.
Holding a sneeze rarely hurts the brain directly. No cell death or common damage. But in very rare cases, it can trigger an aneurysm to burst if one already exists. It's better to let it out into a tissue or your elbow.